What is going on? I am going to give you in this video a full day of Noah Gwynn eating. So, with that being said, I need a damn bowl because I can't eat with that one. Give me a big old bowl. So, my first meal, definitely going to eat some oats, scoop of peanut butter. I just use Quaker Oats original. 150 calories for half a cup. I normally do a full cup. Let's see, what is that? 40 grams, so it's 80 grams total. $80. Now, don't make the mistake of putting the scoop of protein in there before cooking this, because I don't know, I've done that before and it was fucking trash. So I'm gonna put some water in this. I'm gonna show you how much water I like to have in it, because I don't like it too runny. Just got to be perfect. It looks like there's no water in it, but I swear it's floating. It is floating, I swear. I put this in here. Oh, my chicken's in here. Forgot about my chicken. Put this in here for about a minute. I don't know what this says, how long you're supposed to cook these, but I personally do not care. All right. It does not affect of what I want the outcome to be in my oats. I do not listen to that. So we're going to put that in there for about a minute. While we do that, I'm going to get my peanut butter out. Organic peanut butter. This is, I'll show you guys. Creamy peanut butter. I only do one serving size of this with 2 chocolate rice cakes. And this is my biggest meal of the day as well. Just because, I don't know about you guys. I wake up, I'm freaking starving. This definitely needs more water. But I wake up and I'm starving. And that's the good thing is when you cook these, it's okay to go under, like not put enough water in the first time. If you put too much water in, you're fucked. You're drinking them. And I don't know if you've ever drunk oats before. Disgusting. You have the worst time of your life if you do that. So, just recommendation. I wouldn't do it. Oh yeah, this is like perfect. I still got 13 seconds left. I'm gonna show this back in there for. Let it cook up. If I gotta add water, I'll add water. While I do that, I'm gonna give me a plate and get the ready. This is the best part of my meal. Chocolate. Oh my goodness. I be craving food so much on this cut. And just think, I still got, what, 10 more pounds? Holy crap. Please. Shut up. Oh my goodness. I got like 10 more pounds left. Oh yeah. Now I might have to add some water for the protein powder. But, ow. This is the outcome. Oh yeah. And I have to weigh out everything. So for you guys, if you don't want to be precise, you don't have to be. You can just throw the scoop in here. A fun fact, if you guys didn't know, if this says 1 scoop, 32.6 grams, they're lying to you. This motherfucker is way more than 32 grams. So that's why I weigh it. That's on every freaking protein thing, too. So I normally put 33 grams since it says 32.6. 33 is about freaking good enough. And if you guys want to know what protein I use, you already know. Farm fed. Axe and Sledge. Come on now. Come on now. Put this chicken back up. Ooh. I'll stir this around and show you guys the aftermath of this. Now, if you have, like I said, if you have to add water, it's okay to add water. Just in the beginning, don't add too much water because, trust me, you'll remember this moment. You say, well, no, it don't really matter. Just don't add too much water in the beginning. But who cares? And you add that too much water, and then you're fucked. You're drinking the motherfuckers. Oh, bro, you guys can't tell me. Look at that. That is peanut butter oats. Got some honey in there, but ooh, you can't tell I'm a big peanut butter guy. But the oats are done. I'm gonna get this ready. So we're gonna do 2 rice cakes. Man, what does it say? Serving size 32 grams. So what we're going to do is reset this. All right. Now, you got to get a knife. Make it a butter knife. All right. So now we got to get 32 grams on there. 16. Damn. That's damn near perfect. I forgot how far along I am. I think today's officially 9 weeks out from Miami. So it's like 3 weeks, I think. Or 4. 4. I think I'm going on 4. And this is dieting, no cheats, nothing. I have a refeed day coming soon though, thank freaking Jesus. That is 32 on a dot. So hell yeah. That's 32 on a dot. I'll clean all this up in a minute. I'm gonna bring you guys close up so you can see the final result of this, because I've had some people ask me, what do I eat on a daily basis? Now I do change it up every once in a while, but this is what I've been eating for the past like 4 days. I don't even know what to say about it, but this is meal 1. I'll put the calories right here in the corner and the macros, but I track all my shit on MyFitnessPal, so I can't really tell you what all this exactly is right now, unless I just add it all up, and I'm not gonna do all that. But this is meal 1. I'll see you guys for meal 2. Alrighty, we are back for meal 2, and we have already had the chicken pre-cooked, and I just cooked up the rice. We got white rice and 75 grams of white rice, 5 ounces of chicken, organic chicken. And then I have 2 servings of the sugar-free teriyaki. And if you haven't tried any of the sugar-free stuff by this G guy, I don't even know, but I've been using him this whole entire cut, and bro, barbecue sauce, the whole 9 yards. This guy is legit. He's got to be. He made a killing, because this shit tough. But and then I have I'm going on my gallon. This is the gallon. 2 of these equal a gallon. I'm on my second one. I put BCAAs and EAAs in this. It's the Axe and Sludge one I always use. I'm still on the same flavor at the moment. And then I have creatine. I have 5 grams of creatine in this. So I'm going to go ahead and smack this down for meal 2. I'll put the macros in the corner over here, per usual, like the last one. As meal 1, not as the last one. Fuck it. But I'm going to say here, I'm going to smack this. I'm watching the legend Chris Bumstead and Seth. 2 goats. Go ahead and watch this video while I smack this down, and then I'll see you guys for meal 3. Alrighty. We're back for meal 3. We got sweet that. But we got 50 grams of carbs, 5 ounces of chicken. It's almost a meal, same meal as meal 2. The only thing I have is 1 serving size of almonds, which is 24 minutes that I have to eat on meal 3. I'm on my 1.5 gallons now of water. I'll probably have this done roughly during the workout of legs. This is post meal, so I'm eating this before I go destroy my legs. I'm gonna go ahead, smack this. I'll put the macros in this corner, and I'm gonna give me a new spoon since Ace is demolishing that spoon. And as I eat this, I'm gonna go ahead and watch me some Lex. Gotta learn from the best. So you gotta watch the best. But I'll see you all when I hit legs. What is up, YouTube? We're back and gonna kill some legs. We're currently heading to LAC. Had to stop and get a cameraman a nice old Rice Krispie treat because can't live without it. I forgot my hat, so we're definitely going back to the house to grab my hat.
No, we're not.
Yeah. Anyways.
No, we're not.
I'm going to destroy legs. You guys are going to witness me not being able to walk since I'm not going to hit legs until next weekend. And then I'm going to show you all my post-workout meal. But I'll see y'all at the...
wasn't $4 fucking. It was $1.81.
Hey, I'm not the economy. We'll see you at the gym.
Probably gonna hit this for 3 to 4. I warmed up with leg extensions and leg curls. Feeling pretty good. This is the first time I warmed up with 2 other exercises before this. So I'll probably stay here one more time. If I want to go up, I'll go up. But I'm already out of breath. I did 1 set of that. Woo. I don't know how the fuck you're gonna get in this thing. I can barely fit in this. The dump truck is officially brutalized. Brutalized. Oh. Anyways, 3 sets of that. 3 sets of the hack squat. This killed my buttocks. Fucking shot. We're gonna do some calves now. We got core today as well, so I think we're gonna do 3 sets of calves, 12 to 15. Hit some core. I'll talk to you after the core. Ah, 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's it. Calf time. Calf time. Want to do 2 sets over here, 15 to 20. Get the full depth. Make sure I flex real hard for at least for probably a second or 2. Oh, I physically couldn't even push myself up after that one. I don't think I've ever went to failure like that. I mean, they're fucking burning, bro. I'm gonna go ahead, get in the sauna, hit core, and I'll talk to y'all after the sauna. Get to see me all fucking drenched and about dead of dehydration. What is up? We are done with leg day, sauna, and core. We only stayed in the sauna for 10 minutes, and we did leg lifts on core. Did 3 sets of those. I'm gonna go get my post meal. I'm pretty sure in the video I said post meal, but I meant pre meal and meal 3. But I'm just a dumbass. So yeah. But I'm gonna go get my post meal now. Some Chipotle. I'll see you all there. So this is post meal. Forgot my mic. It's in the car, but chicken, rice, queso. I put the macros in this corner. And that is it for today. I'm probably drink a half a gallon of water before I hit the sack. But that's full eating and leg day. If you came this far, I appreciate the support. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.